Hi, my name's Josie and I'm with Spellbinders, and I'm going to show you how to take your scrap foils that you've already used. So this is the negative waste from this, which we did in a previous video, and we are going to transfer that to this chipboard tag. So what you want to do is you need to make sure that you use a piece of cardstock on top of the platform. If you don't, all these ridges will show through. So I have a piece of cardstock there. I'm going to put the foil shiny side down, and then I cheated. I already used this once, but I'm going to go ahead and use this again, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the tag directly there on the foil. And then I'm going to push my timer button because I do need this to heat up, because we're not working with metal, we have paper now, so we need to make sure we conduct enough heat. So I'm going to place my shim down, and I already know that I'm going to have to add a piece of cardstock just for that little bit of extra pressure. So I'm going to add a piece of cardstock in between, and then I'm going to place my spacer plate on top of that. So while we're waiting for this to go solid green, this platform works with other machines that take a steel wool die. So if you have like a Sizzix, a Big Shot, or the Vagabond, you can use this. It doesn't work with the Cuttlebug because the Cuttlebug is not wide enough. You have to use a thermal heat foil transfer foil. It will not work with the MIG foils or the Deco foils. Those do not get hot enough to work with the machine, and vice versa. These foils won't do what like the Deco foil will do. It works just for the foil heat transfer. Our plates are compatible with other foiling systems, and vice versa. Other plates can be used with our system here. So as you can see, excuse me, the light is solid. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, place it on the platform, and again we're going to slowly run it through. And then I'm going to run it back through. And again, if you're going to continue using this, you want to go ahead and place it in the dock and push it in. And now let's see. Here we go. And so now you have, we can see it up here, you have the negative of the foil. And so if you save all your scraps and all your little pieces, you can do other stuff with them.